Hi, I'm Joe and I'm a teacher. Using these ingredients, I'm going to show you how to make festive lollipop stick shapes for children to decorate their homes at Christmas. To make the basic shape, you'll need lollipop sticks, washable glue, side cutting pliers, and paints or coloured pens. And to decorate, you could use glitter, pom-poms, pipe cleaners, buttons, bells, stick-on gems, and wiggly eyes for faces. And to finish off, satin ribbon or jute to make the decorations hang from your tree. To make the Christmas tree, use a pair of pliers to cut the sticks into the sizes that you need. Stick your sticks together using the glue, ensuring you have a strong base to reinforce your shape. When the glue is dry, colour your sticks with paints or felt tip pens. Then, the fun part, decorating them. And you can use anything you like to make sure that they are nice and Christmassy. If you plan to hang from your tree, use some satin ribbon or jute and loop around your decoration. The designs can be as simple or as complex as you like. Your children can make incredible designs using just lollipop sticks and PVA glue. The possibilities are really endless.